In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project using Wrike. If you're new to Wrike or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you have a clear understanding of everything you need to successfully share your projects and collaborate with your team. Let's start by navigating over to the Wrike platform. Once you're on the home page, sign in if you haven't already, and you'll find yourself in the main workspace. This is where all your projects, tasks, and collaborations are organized, so it's crucial to get comfortable navigating around. The next thing you need to do is locate the specific project that you wish to share. Browse through your list of projects, and once you've found the one you're looking for, click on it to open. It's always a good idea to confirm you've selected the right project by checking the project details displayed on the screen. Once you've selected your project, the next step involves using the platform's interface to get to the sharing functionalities. Look for the three-dot menu icon. This icon generally represents additional options and settings across digital platforms, and Wrike is no exception. Clicking on this icon will display a variety of options for managing your project. From this menu, you will need to select the option that allows you to share your project. This part is fairly straightforward, but as always, take a moment to ensure you are selecting the right command to avoid any accidental changes or actions on the project. Now comes the crucial part, adding your team members or contacts with whom you want to share the project. Wrike allows you to add team members by entering either their names or email addresses. Start typing a team member's name or email, and if they're already in the system, their information should auto-complete. If not, you'll need to input their email address manually, making sure to double-check every character to avoid errors. As you're adding these members, Wrike may provide options to set the level of access or permissions each person will have on the project. Make sure to carefully consider who needs to view, edit, or manage the project when assigning these roles. Assigning the correct level of access is very important for team collaboration and project security. And there you have it. You've now shared your Wrike project, allowing your team to collaborate more efficiently. Remember, the key to seamless collaboration on Wrike or any platform is frequent communication and clear guidelines on roles and responsibilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring the other features Wrike has to offer, and you'll quickly discover how it can enhance your project management process.